Radical Feng Shui with Charlene here. I'm Charlene. I wanted to tell you about my free class. It's going to be a 45-minute free class on November 20th at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on the west coast of US and Canada. It's an opportunity to get to know me a little bit better, know my approach, ask some questions, maybe learn a few little Feng Shui tips. You have to do it on Zoom, so if you're not familiar with Zoom, good to go on and find out what that's about. What you do is you go to Zoom and you sign up, and then I give you information when you register for the course. And you register by sending an email to my email address. So I will have that all on my blog on my website, which is adarshashwaydeva.com. That's my email. That's my website. And if you go to blogs, you'll see where the free course is, and you'll see my other courses. I also wanted to re-talk about Being Feng Shui, which is a 3-part course, 3-session, that I'll be offering on the 27th, and it'll go on 3 Saturdays for 60 minutes each, and that will be about a different way, my way, after 28 years of doing this work, of approaching how to share Feng Shui with you. And I think it'll be interesting because it's going to deal with your personal information, your elementals, your birth chart, your 9-star key astrology, who you are in a space that's unique and different than any other person. So I think it'll be fun, but you can read all about that too on the blogs at my webpage. And I still invite you to go to Radical Feng Shui, sign up, subscribe, leave some interesting comments, because in the future I'll be doing a 9-star key astrology course. Hopefully we'll be doing a Feng Shui course for the holidays, late in November, early December. The dates, I've just set a lot of dates, so I'm not remembering them all, but my free course, it'll be fun, 45 minutes, an hour, 45 minutes, and we'll discuss a bunch of things, and you get an opportunity to see how I teach and what I teach, and thank you for tuning in. Ciao.